Leveling your frets and fingerboard has never been easier with MusicNomad's Fret Leveler L-beams. With 3 sizes to choose from, make sure you choose the best size for the job.
I kind of thought like a beam's a beam's a beam, but you know what? This L-beam is really a better design than anything that I've used.
Our 7-inch, 18-centimeter Fret Leveler L-beam sets a new higher standard for what you should expect when you buy a small fret leveling beam. This smaller size is the perfect length for controllability and is specifically designed for spot leveling your frets, creating fall away, as well as smaller instruments like ukulele and mandolin. It's great for leveling unfretted fingerboards too. Our unmatched thicker wall design gives you the weight you want. We beefed up our design so the weight of the leveler does the work for you. This small guy is in a weight class by itself at 0.578 pounds or 262 grams. The 7-inch length by 1-inch width by 1.75-inch height features our MusicNomad exclusive ergonomic curved handle design for the ultimate comfort and control. Plus, it helps avoid slipping out of your hand. Our 1.75-inch lower profile height gets you closer to the fretboard for better control and feel. We even spent the extra time to radius the edges to keep you from banging into and damaging high frets. This is a detail you will appreciate. The top and bottom edges are precision ground to a flat accuracy tolerance of plus or minus 0.0025 inch per foot via strategically designed 3-step grinding process on each work surface. We include 3 adhesive back 3M Stick-It gold abrasive strips, the preferred choice for top repair shops. They include 2 240 grit and 1 400 grit. Designed by our Sonoma, California team, the premium quality 6063 T5 aluminum has a blue anodized finish that is extremely durable, abrasion resistant, easy to clean, and does not peel or chip. We even include a convenient hang hole. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.